Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile using a keyboard and mouse. First, you'll need a compatible keymapper application or an Android emulator on your computer. Connect your keyboard and mouse to your mobile device or computer. This setup offers a significant advantage over traditional touch controls, providing enhanced precision and faster reactions. We'll guide you through the initial steps to get everything ready for an immersive gaming experience. There are two primary methods to achieve this: using an Android emulator on a personal computer or a physical keymapper for direct phone connection. Emulators offer robust performance and larger screens, ideal for a desktop setup. Keymappers provide portability, allowing you to connect peripherals directly to your mobile device. Each method has its unique benefits, so choose the one that best suits your gaming style and available equipment for optimal play. Once your hardware is connected, the next crucial step is configuring your controls. You'll need to assign specific keyboard keys and mouse actions to in-game functions like movement, shooting, and aiming. Take time to customize sensitivity settings for both your mouse and in-game camera. Experiment with different button placements to find what feels most natural and responsive, ensuring a smooth and competitive gameplay experience. To truly master Call of Duty Mobile with a keyboard and mouse, practice is key. Spend time in the training grounds to refine your aim and movement. Adjust your in-game settings, such as field of view and graphics, to complement your new control scheme. The precision offered by a mouse for aiming and the quick reactions from a keyboard for movement will give you a distinct edge over opponents using touch controls, enhancing your overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.